Before I started learning Spanish, I had no idea. A country one-sixth in size of India has four official languages. Yes, four official languages. And I learned about this fact when I started doing my graduation in Spanish from Delhi University. When you do your graduation in a language, you don't only study the language, but at the same time, you learn a lot about that country. And when I learned this fact, I was very curious and wanted to know more. So, today in this video, I will talk about the official languages of Spain. Call it Spanish, Castellano, Castilian, or Espanol. You can call it whatever you want. The actual name of the language, what we refer to Spanish, is Castellano. Before Spain came into existence, the Iberian Peninsula was a land of many kingdoms and it included the Kingdom of Castilla. What we call Spanish today was actually the language of the Kingdom of Castilla. If you ever go to Spain, then you will realize that the local people refer to the language as Castellano and not as Espanol, what generally a foreigner will call it. Everybody in Spain speaks Castellano despite some regions having their own local language, and it is very common to see people using Castellano and Espanol interchangeably to refer to the same language because according to the Royal Spanish Academy, both the terms are correct. Catalan is the second most spoken language in Spain and it is the co-official language of the regions of Catalonia, Valencia, Balearic Islands and Andorra. For people who don't know Andorra, it is a small kingdom nation sandwiched between the borders of Spain and France. I don't know if you have ever visited Barcelona or Valencia. If you ever go there, you will realize that the road signs, the announcements are always in two languages, Castellano and in Catalan. And in Valencia, the language Catalan is commonly referred to as Valenciano. The next language on the list is Gallego, or as they call it in English, Galician. It is a language that is spoken in the region of Galicia, and if you look at the map of the Spain, Galicia lies in the northwest of Spain and it shares its border with Portugal. And Gallego is a language that is a mixture of Spanish and Portuguese. A person who speaks Gallego can easily understand Portuguese and vice versa. If you speak Spanish, it is not very difficult to understand Gallego, and if you can speak both Spanish and Portuguese, then you will not find any problem understanding Gallego. Basque is a very isolated language and it has no relation with any other Indo-European language. It is spoken in the region of Basque country in Spain and in some parts of southwest of France. A standard form of Basque language is Euskara Batao. Basque is a very unique language and it somehow survived for centuries without being related to any other European language. And now around 1 million people speak that language in only two countries. Then you have other languages in Spain like Asturian, Leonese, Aragonese. All these languages are recognized in Spain, but none of them is an official language of any region in Spain. I hope you learned some new things about Spain and please let me know in the comments if you liked the video. So till the next one, adios. So guys, if you're enjoying the videos, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.